Have you always had the desire to grow your business so you can have financial freedom? Do you want to know how to get rich? This story will teach you. This is a story full of fantastic wisdom and morals, so stay till the end to see what happens. And if you don't follow these morals, you could end up wasting your money and your time, which you can't get back. Once upon a time, a long time ago in space, around 50,000 years ago, there lived a boy on a planet. His name was Rox, but he was a very poor boy. His life was so difficult, in fact, that every day was a struggle. He lived on a harsh planet called Skimta, a purple vicious world. His mum said to him, "Rox, why don't you stop dreaming about being rich? Give up, we are struggling. This is our life. We will never be wealthy. We are doomed to be poor. The leaky roof of our house will always be there, and I will never have an emerald dress and the dream dinner that I want to make for all of you." "No, Mum, I promise. I will make us rich. I will buy you an emerald dress that you can wear to our family's dream dinner. I promise." Silly boy. The boy grew up. He became a teenager. His family was still poor though. The boy kept learning how to grow his businesses. He learned from mentors. For years he toiled away, only making small profits, and when he got married, his wife also gave him the same advice that his mum did when things weren't going well. "Just give up, why are you even trying this?" His mining business was failing and his three friends' businesses were succeeding on the gold planet, the silver planet, and the water planet. But there was hope. He visited a wise old mage on a distant nebula who told him of the importance of patience and networking. That means making connections with other business people. Good investment habits will help him grow his business. That is what he learnt. Wisdom point alert. Reinvest your wealth back into your business to keep growing it. I have a problem with too much money. I can't reinvest it fast enough. And because I reinvest it, more money comes in. Yes, the rich do get richer. A quote from Robert Kiyosaki. If this video is helping you out so far, then hit that subscribe button. You will get good luck on your business. I believe in you. Let's carry on with the story. He has equipment that mines perplanium, an ore that is found on the planet. He reinvests his profits back into his business so he can mine even more perplanium. His business grows beyond the home planet Skimta, to another planet, and then to its moons, and then the entire Ruboblian solar system, making everyone jealous of him, saying it's just luck. He didn't earn it. He probably cheated his way to the top of the galaxy's mining industry. His company was profiting 57,000% more than the nearest competitor, Volcant, his rival. But he had an issue. Rox's machines started breaking down because of the spare part inside of it being a cheap one. He fixed this by working hard to develop a good business relationship with a smart, reliable supplier from the nearby Drutoma solar system, Domnen, who he met earlier in his teen years and helped with his studies. He never forgot him. Absolutely awesome. This is the importance of having a good network. Wisdom point alert. Your network is your net worth. A quote from Portugal. I hope this video has helped you out. Subscribe to this channel, Ancient Wealth Hub. My name is Mahad and I make videos on this channel that help you grow your business, that help you become more wise in life and in business. I hope that video has helped you out. Check out this other video about how this businessman grew his juice business from one coin to an entire industry. Click right here to watch that.